This 2026 Highland Ridge Range Lite 270DBL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 32 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Skylight, TV, refrigerator, awning, water heater, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Range Lite 270DBL is 6,946 pounds. This 2026 Highland Ridge Range Lite 270DBL. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.